I plan on opening 10 packs of each booster because I got a lot of hourglasses. So, let's get this set over to my favorite language first. Well, one of my favorite languages to collect card packs in. Let's open up a Solgaleo first. Get the one and done out of the way. And now, let's go to Genetic Apex. Nice. Come on, give me something else that's good too. Meltan, I do like Meltan. Nice. This was actually one of my first EX cards that I ever got. It came in real handy. Hey, yo, what was that? I guess that's probably what it was. Gotta love the animations. Ooh, finally. Ooh, another Dragonite. Nice. And that completes the Mewtwo collection for me. 2 Dragonites! 2 full art Dragonites? You gotta be kidding me. It's crazy. Alright. Let's do Pikachu. Come on. I gotta admit, these come in clutch. Okay, was not expecting to get that today. Ooh, Arcanine. Nice. I only have a few cards left to collect a Pikachu. Alright. That's all for the genetic apex. Now we're gonna move on to Mew. And Mew's Mythical Island. It's been forever since I collected some of these. Like a couple of months. Ugh. Sorry if I sound tired, I just woke up. So landed. Ooh, blue. Full art blue. Nice. Hey, yo. I like it. I like it a lot. Not a whole lot of stuff, but at least we got something cool. I'm not gonna lie, I was really hoping to get a Gyarados out of that. Alright. Dialga, you're up next. Okay then. That's due for me. The Pachirisu EX. Pachirisu. Not even a single. No, we got an EX. We got an EX. I was hoping to get a Dialga out of that, though. Oh well. You're up next, Palkia. Bastiodon. Nice. How about I get a Garchomp? Another Palkia EX for the collection. I like it. I think I got a Cynthia there. Alright. And from there, we go on to Arceus. I have not bought a pack of 10 of these. Looks like we got something special. I do like getting stuff that's new. Ooh, Leafeon EX. I like it. I like it a lot. Abomasnow. Full Art Shaman. Skyform. Origin Form Palkia. I didn't get a single EX in this one, did I? Wow. Oh well, you win some, you lose some. Alright, now, time for the Shining Revelries. Let's open up 10 of these. Ooh, excuse me. Nice. Beedrill EX. I'm not gonna lie, I really do like Beedrill. It's coming clutch for me. The regular card, which does 70 attack, and the EX, which does 80. Ooh, Giratina EX. Nice. No, I got 2. Hey, yo, Team Rocket. Coming with the full art. Two EX cards. And a full art. I gotta say, that's a pretty good pull. Alright. We the Genetic Apex, Dialga and Palkia, Mewtwo, Arceus, Shining Reveries. Let's get a Solgaleo. And rip open that packaging. Hey, yo! Shiny Ivysaur. No, that's not Ivysaur, that's Venusaur. Man, someone's gonna smite me in the comments for that. I'm just way too tired for this. Full art Cutie Fly. Hey cutie, how you doing? Shiny Wigglytuff. But where are the EX cards at? Where are the EX cards at? Dang, that hurts. Not gonna lie, that really hurts. Alright. Lunala. Let's go. Okay, I heard some stuff. I hope that was good stuff I heard. Hope I get an EX card out of these 10 packs. Full art Executor. Tapu. Man, no EX cards. Not gonna lie, I feel like that's a bust. Kinda hurts a little bit. Alright, now let's do the latest one. Buzzwole. I haven't opened up any of these yet. But I probably did collect some cards from the Wonder Picks from them. Okay, so that looks like we got something good. Come on. Full art Savali. That's probably what showed up in there. Nice. Loki though was type null. Another Poiple. Be nice if we could get a Naganadel. Ah, not even a... Couldn't even get an EX out of those. Man, that hurts. Oh well. It is what it is. Let's turn the volume down. It's a little too loud for my taste. Well, at least I leveled up. I'm close to leveling up again. I have not been able to get a Solgaleo yet. Let's see if it stays in the same spot. No! No! Oh, that hurts. Oh, no, that hurts. They're just gonna hit the middle. Yes! Hourglass is what I wanted. Buzzwole. I want to see the Buzzwole stays in the same spot. Boink. No, no! Not again. Well, new card at least. Thank you. Well, that's all, folks. That is all. I don't even have enough to open up another whole set of 10. Thanks for watching.